Here's the Ripple Wide Table by 10 Jam. This table easily sets in your pool. You see there, it just drops to the bottom. It has a removable top tray, all right, that hides the air holes. This table also has a ridge around the edge of it. That just prevents things, your drink from falling off, your book from falling off. But because we did add that ridge, it collects water if it was to rain on it. We have this hole which functions as a drain hole, but also as a hole that we can put an umbrella through. Now, if you decide to use this table with an umbrella, it's important to know that you must have this umbrella sleeve mounted into the floor of your pool. Okay, that's a must. This table by itself does not support or hold the umbrella. All it does is allow the umbrella to pass through it, but it has to go into that hole. So if it comes time to installing the umbrella, simply put the table over the top of where that hole is. Try to align it the best you can just visually. Again, make sure the tray is on it when you're about to do this. So you got the tray installed. I can see I look fairly well aligned with the sleeve at the bottom of the pool. Make sure your umbrella is closed. It's just a lot easier to handle. Put it in through there, and then there's the installation of the umbrella. From there, just go ahead and wind this umbrella up. There we go. Now we have our umbrella working. Now, again, this table is not supporting the umbrella. It has to be in the sleeve. This tray, if you get water on top of it, you can lift it up, tip it off. This tray also functions as like a lazy Susan function. The table was sized, it's 23.5 inches in diameter, but it's sized so you can go grab just your little soft-sided cooler, grab a beverage. You can move things around. The table works in up to 10 inches of water depth. So this pool right here is about 9 inches this morning. Now, you could use it in deeper water as long as you have weight on the top of it. And let me just kind of show you what I mean by that. So again, rated at a 10-inch water depth, and that means if you have 10 inches of water or less, you can simply just leave this table in the pool. I'll show you how taking the umbrella out and show you how to remove it from the pool here. So, time to take the table out of the pool. And again, if it's 10 inches or less water, the table's just going to remain in place. Now you could take the tray off, you could go load it with something and bring it back. If this water is over 10 inches and you don't have anything on the table, it could become unstable and float off into the pool. So that's why we rated it 10 inches or less. Now when it's time to use the table on the patio, it's as simple as just pulling it from the water. It has an open base, so it's safe for vinyl liner, fiberglass pools, gunite, but simply drains all the water and you can use it on your patio. Super simple.